Mathematical problem related to radiation. Let us see the problem. The wavelength of violet light is 410 nanometer. What are the frequency and wave number? The wave of length 410 nanometer. Let us consider a wave radiation. Here the wavelength is this, which is denoted by lambda. Here lambda is given 410 nanometer. What are the frequency? Frequency is denoted by nu. Frequency and wave number. Wave number is denoted by nu bar. That is, frequency and wave number have to be calculated. Here, first of all, wavelength has to be changed to meter. Here, wavelength is 410 nanometer. This is equal to 410 times 10 to the power minus 9 meter, because we know 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So wavelength is this. Now, what is frequency? We know frequency is equal to velocity of light divided by wavelength. Here, velocity of light 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by wavelength, this value 410 times 10 to the power minus 9 meter. This is equal to 7.317 times 10 to the power minus 14 per second. Frequency. We got frequency of the radiation. Now, wave number of this radiation. We know wave number is nu bar. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Here 1 lambda is equal to this, that is 410 times 10 to the power minus 9 meter wavelength. This is equal to 2.439 times 10 to the power 6 per meter. That is, wave number is this per meter and frequency is this per second. Here frequency is 7.317 times 10 to the power minus 14 per second, and wave number is 2.439 times 10 to the power 6 per meter. Thanks for watching.